that the place?
Babe, you missed. The party yesterday night was the bomb.
Are you serious? You're really looking good.
Thank you.
Wow, your performance was something else.
Are you sure?
Seriously, you're great.
You mean you love my performance?
I love the way you are doing. Thank you.
That was good.
What's your guy doing with that girl?
Yeah. Come on,
let me see you.
Yes.
Come on, let me see you roll. Roll, baby. Come on, you look good.
Thank you.
Do you know her? Does he know we are here?
Oh my God, I love your performance.
Oh my God.
Seriously, you're wonderful on the
You
stage.
mean you love my performance?
I love the move, you know, just...
Oh, come on, baby.
I think I should go find out who that girl is.
No, it's not necessary.
I'm gonna see you, alright?
Okay.
I'll see you.
Okay. Oh, let me bring my bag. I'm following you. I love it so much.
Like seriously? Does he know we are here? Is that not Bob Loco with another woman? Do you know the girl? Hey! Babe, I don't chop shit. No. Calm down. Don't go there. Just sit down. Don't be aggressive. Watch what happens. It's not necessary. Come back, babe. Just sit down and watch what happens. Are you serious?
Loco.
Oh my God.
Bobby.
Babe.
Bobom.
Oh my God.
I can't believe it. You don't know how happy you make me feel.
You don't mean it?
Yes. Make me feel so fulfilled. Me sitting with the world's most popular musician.
Wow.
Bob Loco,
Yeah.
aka Fela Pikin.
You got it. That's it.
I'm so happy.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, it's good to know you, alright?
Thank you.
You are Abigail, right?
Yes.
That's it.
Abigail Pedro. But my friends call me Abby Catch. The only daughter to Don Pedro, the famous rich man in this town.
Oh my God.
Actually, my father is your great fan. He loves you so much. He loves your music like hell. Seriously.
Oh my God.
I don't know what to say. But I'm going to tell him that I met you today. And I'm sure he will love to see you too.
Oh,
Serious?
please tell him that you met the legend. I'm talking about the legend of high life, Bob Loco.
Of course I will.
Original Bob Loco. Oh, come on.
Okay, sorry, sweetie.
Yeah.
My Bobby.
Baby.
Bob.
Oh my God.
I want to know, can you please play me this your track? I love it so much. Water, you don't get enemy. Something like that.
Oh my God. Don't tell me that is your favorite track.
Of course, you guessed it right. It's my favorite. I love that song so much.
I'm gonna do that, but you know I'll be cash. You know what I mean?
Catch.
Cash.
I know.
Okay. I just wanted to... Temptation is this. Why would she be pregnant, huh? I already have 4 wives now. Oh God, why? Why?
Honey? Bobonken. My Bob Loco. What is the problem, eh? What is bothering you?
I'm okay.
Come on, baby. Don't tell me it's because of what I told you earlier. My love, you should be happy that I'm pregnant for you. Eh? You should. At least with that, my father can can change your life for good.
Change my life?
Yes!
How do you mean?
My father that I know will want to settle his son-in-law very, very well.
But we have no agreement of getting married to each other. Besides that...
Besides what? Eh? Did I hear you very well? Besides what? Ah! That I'm good for friendship. Eh? But not good enough for marriage. Eh? What? Is that what you're telling me? Bob Loco? Is that what you're telling me? Don't you dare tell me that rubbish! Don't! You better get ready to take full responsibility of this child in my womb. Because you are the father. Nonsense. Did I hear you say agreement? Eh? Agreement? You must be joking. Nonsense.
You are going to enjoy it. Out of excitement.
Just leave me alone. Musa! Musa!
Why are you calling Musa for?
Where is this gate man now? Why did you go and buy something for me?
No, see, Abigail, I still love you. Remember,
Musa!
you have a baby there.
Where is this gate man?
For me, and my baby is there. You know that?
Musa! Where is this?
Madam, I'm here.
Musa, where have you been now?
Yeah, now they walk.
Please, Abigail, I'm begging you. I don't mean to hurt you. I really mean that. I was just being excited.
Bob!
Please.
Bob, you hurt.
I'm sorry.
Bob, you hurt me so much. You hurt me.
I'm sorry.
You hurt me.
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
Bob, you hurt me.
Just look at me. Look at me. I'm sorry.
Hey, Bob. I've been looking for you all over the town. And I knew you'd be nowhere else but here.
What are you doing here?
That is it. Here.
So?
Shameless man. Who be this?
Enough of the insult on my husband.
I beg you.
Shut up. Who are you? You're nothing but a sheep whore. What do you want with my husband? What do you want with him? Eh?
You're not even ashamed to call this lunatic, this decorated he-goat your husband. Anyway, I'm not surprised. It is women like you that run off with men, all in the name of marriage. Desperation. Desperate woman, that is what you are. Shut up.
Nothing. Just hold it there. Hold it there. You're nothing but a common whore without a stand. Leave this place. Else, I will make sure you rot in jail.
Hey, shut up. Shut your dirty mouth. There is nothing you can do. Anyway, I did not come here for you. If I had come here for you, I would have shown you that I'm a real Calabar girl from Itigidi. I would have dealt with you. But no, today is not your day. I came here for this lunatic, this useless man, your so-called husband. Yes.
So, this Calabar girl, what do you want from me?
You are asking me what I want from you.
Yes, what do you want from me?
Ah, Bob Loco. I have a gift for you. I don't carry belly.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm pregnant.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Stupid man. When I was telling you, I warned you. Use protection. You said no. Baby, it is sweeter when it's natural. It don't be for you. Hey! When you were enjoying it and saying you enjoy it better when it's natural.
See, Abby, don't mind her. No, she doesn't know what she's talking about. She's just talking rubbish.
Shut your mouth! Shut your mouth! It's because of you! Bob, it's because of you that this sheep whore! This shameless girl could insult me in my own house! It is your father. The generation... It is your father. The one that gave birth to him. In fact, the generation of your father. His entire generation, that is...
What are you doing?
And shameless. You're acting me what I'm doing.
Hey! Come on! Leave her alone! Come on, leave her! Leave her alone! Come on! Abigail, leave!
You want me like
Leave her! Come on!
They won't kill themselves.
Hey!
Let's fight you.
Hey! Come on, leave her! Come on! Hey!
It's okay. I will show her!
It's okay.
Hey! I will show you something because I'm here!
Are you mad?
I mean you want
Are you mad, Sasha?
I'll punish you!
I'll give you slap now!
I'm not punish you! I will finish your pain!
My friend, be fast about this. Hey! Baby cow! Hey! Baby cow!
Papa,
The two of you are doing the jacket.
I'm trying.
They want to kill you. What of those canopies and lalalangas? My friend, do that fast. Do it. Move! These people want to kill the two of you. Hey, be fast, everybody!
Whoa. How come? Honestly, I don't understand these children relocation to your village. How come you did not even explain to us? No explanation. You just came and asked the children to start packing our loads into the tipper. What is going on?
Mijina, I don't understand too. Is anybody after you or?
Don't understand what? Eh? Nobody is after me and I am not after anybody. This decision, I took it by myself, with myself and for myself. And I believe it's going to favor the Bob Loco's kingdom. Do you understand me? So, I don't want any of you to question my right.
So what, Bob Loco? So what? That you just ask all of us to pack our loads like mad people and start going to your village. It will not favor us at all, yo. It will not favor us.
Okay, now.
My husband, Mbok, explain this to us in simple language and we will understand.
Hey! Baby cow! Are you the one? You want to kill yourself? Hey, be careful! Shotman Victor!
Papa, you know I'm a gallant soldier.
Better.
Is somebody after you? Or are you after somebody?
Nobody is after me. And I am not after anybody.
So, why are we relocating from the city to the village? Anyway, I don't have any problem with relocating to the village. But my concern is, how will you cope with your music career?
Among my wife.
It's my husband.
That has been taken care of. And the decision to go to the village will favor everybody. You know, the distance between the village and the city is just a stone throw. So we could be doing our business from the village. And we will run away from all these high tariffs of NEPA that goes up and comes down. We will not be paying for pipe-borne water that never existed. We will not be paying for all those small bit of, especially all those Akanaba boys. We will run away from them. We'll go down to the village and eat natural food. Natural fruits. You see? I know it's going to favor everybody. Come on, everybody. No. Hey, are you ready to go or not?
Ina mama ke, wallahi. I am still confused. You should have informed us earlier before now.
Amina, can you just shut up your mouth before I shut it? I'm confused. Right from the day I married you, I know you are confused. And I know you are permanently confused. I should tell you before I take my decision. Is that what you are talking about? That I, Bob Loco, the High Life Maestro, should inform you. Let me ask you, Amina. Are you the one that married me, or I am the one that married you? Are you the head of Bob Loco's family? I mean Bob Loco's kingdom. Are you?
Gina, I'm sorry.
Hey! Are you ready to climb now or not? Everybody, climb up! And for you women, if you're not ready to enter this car now, I'm sure you have made arrangements for Keke and Okada that will take you to the village. Now! Enter this car now!
Vic, okay. Edo, enter, eh?
How can you tell us to come and enter this trailer?
Can you enter now?
Enter.
How can you tell us to come and...
And all of you, come on, start climbing. Hey, my friend, come on, climb, move. I said move, climb. You are doing what? Come on, move.
You know my sister, my sweet sister.
Papa, come on, move. And you, come on. Where are you going? Time, wait. You'll be carrying bags, hanging bag at your back as if you're a nursery.
Papa, it's not fall here. I don't want to fall here.
If you fall, you get up. He who falls must get up. Langa.
I am begging him to wait. Let me climb.
Move.
Wait, though.
Come on.
If I have the opportunity.
You want to fight me?
If I have the chance.
Go road.
You deserve a must beating.
Come on, move. Are you ready to move? Canopy? Kaduna Elephant, are you ready to move?
Papa?
Yes.
We need a forklift if we really want to take this man to our village.
Yes, Papa.
A forklift? To forklift who?
To forklift him?
Yes.
Why not use that tow rope and tow him into that luxurious bus?
Bro, calm down. Come down from that. Come down, come
You
stay at
do
the
not
back.
want to go to the village.
My friend, come down.
Why will I leave?
Come down, come and stay at the back. Bro,
You didn't want to go.
Oh,
You
no,
didn't walk that car phone call. He fought.
Go and follow the other side.
I beg shift.
Follow the other side. What is your
Shift,
problem?
shift. I mean,
I don't
shift,
want
shift.
to fight
Move.
now.
I mean, I shift.
Hey! Elephant! King size canopy. Come on! Move! Move!
Papa, you need more weight. You need more weight.
Canopy! Idris, you pollute the air! You gas!
One weeky, one tolerable for Babyloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Babyloko family. Wife dey berekete, pikin si dey nyafu. One weeky, one tolerable for Babyloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Babyloko family. Pikin si dey nyafu. One weeky, one tolerable for Babyloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Babyloko family. Wife dey berekete, pikin si dey nyafu. One weeky, one tolerable for Babyloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Babyloko family. Pikin si dey nyafu. One weeky, one tolerable for Babyloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Babyloko family. Wife dey berekete, pikin si dey nyafu. One weeky, one tolerable for Babyloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Babyloko family.
Choma. Choma. Yes. Where's the water now? Here. Then where is it? This is where I kept the 2 buckets of water just now. Haba. Hey!
Choma and Chinenye, why did you have to strip your elder brother naked before the public? Don't you know he's your elder brother and he deserves some respect? Yes.
Papa.
Yes.
Respect is reciprocal. So is disrespect. So you tell Idris to respect us first.
Papa, warn them. I will slap the 2 of them here now. I am just respecting you, if not because of you. I will unleash the devil.
My friend, just shut up. Shut up your mouth. Fat for nothing. Bottom belly. You are just a canopy. Oversized canopy. One time, I was on them. You did not slap them and you were there when they lifted you like a Belgian rat and slapped you on the ground. Strip you naked.
Papa, I was not prepared. I was just putting on the wrapper.
You are putting on the wrapper. Haven't you seen a rapper person wrestling and becoming a hero? Bottom belly. Hey, my friend, shut up your mouth. What's this laughter all about?
Papa, he just called Idris a rat. Despise his size.
Shut up your mouth. 2 of you, listen to me. You have to apologize to him. He is your elder brother and deserves some respect. Do that now. Now!
Sorry.
Better, Papa. I don't accept.
Yes.
See their faces now.
Yeah.
I will destroy their faces now. I am respecting you. If not because of you now, wallahi.
Thou shalt up your mouth. Unleash which devil? You are the devil. Can you see your face? There's no difference between you, devil, and you, Idris. Now, and you were there when they lifted you up, slammed you on the floor, and naked you. He did not unleash your devil. Tara! Shut up your mouth.
Papa, handsome. I'm handsome, oh.
You want to disfigure my daughter's face? And you think I will accept this your ugly mammoth, this your... I don't know how to describe this your face. Mommy color. And for 2 of you, Idris is your elder brother. You must show him some respect. Is that understood?
Better.
And you are making noise. Canopy. Get out of this place now, all of you. Get out of my sight. 1, 2. Hey, come. Papa. Move this way.
Papa.
I said move this way. Move this way. Idiot. Canopy. Canopy in the house. What I can get down? Hi. Oh, Bob Loco. Yes.
Waifu de berekete, pikin si de nyafu. 1 week, 1 tolobolo for Baboloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Baboloko family. Waifu de berekete, pikin si de nyafu. 1 week, 1 tolobolo for Baboloko house. Wahala no dey finish
Obioma. Obioma.
Ekpom.
Stand there.
Nankuleba.
You heard me well. Bimbo. 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 Come here.
Oh, come here. I am here.
Better. Where is Amina and what is that calabar? What's that her name again? Opong.
They are the backyard.
Go and call her. Tell them that I need them here now.
Okay, oh.
Run! I say run!
Nah, we're any one. How can you answer to Roger? Call that ever.
Can't you respect your own age?
You people are here? Our husband said I should tell you people that he wants to see us here. Nazwa.
Sunday.
I can see that you people want to force me to fast. So I married 4 of you to starve me to death. Shut up! Shut up! Check your time now. It's almost past 11 o'clock. And none of you bothered to serve me my breakfast.
Michina, I no follow. I was the one that cooked yesterday, so ask them.
Me too, my husband. I made food yesterday afternoon. So it is Obioma and Bimbo's turn to cook.
Manuel.
It is who?
Hey, don't touch me.
Let God fire that your mouth. Don't fire you. You allow me now.
Obioma blow banka.
Waka. Wogi lu la e chire ka
Shege. Allah cinemata. Kanyanki. Waka. Shege. Allah cinemata. Kanyanki.
Kai. So who has the mouth to tell my mom that Tonta will fire her mouth?
Obioma ni.
Omu akuya gineme. Okay, rise gineme. What would you do?
That
is what my mother said. Do you have a problem with that? I'm asking, do you have a problem with that?
Get them!
Get them! I will beat you. Nothing will happen. I will shoot your eyes. Can you do this? What can you do?
Oh, yeah,
I can't do anything. I can't do anything.
You can't do
anything. Shut up your mouth.
Slap them! Slap them!
All these buffoons, Nikon fools, mobile rats and rabbits. I did not invite you people here. It's like you people want to turn my compound to Sambiza forest war. Eh? I only invited my wives. My 4 wives. Emphasis. My 4 wives. And for all of you mobile rats and rabbits, I want you to now turn yourself into a me and march yourself back to the backyard now, according to your height. Hey! Shotman Victor, lead the parade. And you, signboard, Okorikwe signboard, be at the back. By the left, mark, right hand left, right, hand left, right, hand left, right, forward, right, hand left to right, hand left, right, hand left, right, hand left, right, move, hand left, right, hand left, right, hand left, right, yeah, ha, cha. And for you beautiful she-goats.
Ebi, she-goats. Yes. How come? Yes. Ebi, she-goats.
Are you not she-goats? Even when I put beautiful she-goats, you want to argue? I am going to make a timetable on how you will serve my food from now on. But before then, can you, according to the time and season that I married you, be in a single file and march yourself out from my presence? Hand Yeah, my friend, come back here. Aguman, follow here. Hand left, right, make time. Hand left, right, shake yourself. Hand left to right, shake it, hand left, right. Hand left, right, shake it. Hey. You presumed that you are the most beautiful damsel that I have here. Wrong. I want you to mark time there. Shake all that thing that made me to love you so much. Shake it and shake it very well. Come on, hand left to right, mark time. Hand left to right, shake it. Hand left to right, shake it. Forward, march. Hand left to right, hand left, right, hand left, right. Are you see that? Come on, hand left, right. Hey!
Shenele timetable ni abi kini mijina na the timetable ko
mbong siro CBC kami na mutom ku for me nyero roster ro me timetable ro aroso nzogero
na ya hapo na ndi ala ko ile emo ma de ya ko ni ibedo ye ba ka lewe yanju.
What do you want and what did you say?
Okomi.
What did you say?
Shele timetable ni.
Kelele timetable ni.
Is
that all? Thank you. And you? What did you say?
Mbob me roster ro me timetable kero nzogero.
Nsekero. That's what you want. One you go.
The timetable.
Oh, only poor. That's what you want. I go on, sir. What do you want?
If na ju imama de ya ko ni bedo ya. Ko o me future.
Mama. Okay. I wonder when 4 of you can start making use of your eyes. Anyway, this is election result. Just take time to see whether you passed or not.
Olowori mi.
Whoa. Okay.
Why will my name come out on Tuesday? I'm the smallest though. With all these elderly women here, my name will come out on Tuesday.
Why is my name number 1 in this list? That's what I don't know. But again, 9.
First wife. Cook for your husband, yo. You first wife now. Whether Tuesday, Monday, Thursday, Friday, I can cook.
I am the smallest in this house. My name should not come out on Tuesday.
All of you, make sure our neighbors can shut up.
Hey! Can all of you shut up? I thought by now you people would have gone to your kitchen and now Find something you can give me as breakfast. And you are here chattering, flagrant, verbal-brutal. Before I count 3, all of you have disappeared into the thin air. Are you still there? Hey. Okay, one. Before I close my eyes and open it, you have disappeared. 1, 2,
2. Bring it now. Let me see. You mean people have finished 1 bag of rice in 1 week?
Hey, we are much now. You know that guy that calls himself Idris? That pot of a guy. He's one of eating all the food. Don't mind him. It's because of that thing he smokes that making it too much. Don't know that he go make someone for it too much.
Uncle, yeah?
Yes, now, Mama.
Hey!
Every day fight another. Bubble loco lolo wanina. Bubble loco lolo wanina. Bubble loco lolo wanina. Every day fight another. Bubble loco lolo wanina.
Papa, your food is ready. Who brought your food?
You brought my food.
Yes, Papa.
So, who wanted to steal this? Me.
Steal your what?
Rogues!
How can I steal your... Who might eat your food, child?
Let me come. Come here. Test it. I don't trust 2 of you. Test this food. I don't trust 2 of you.
But will I kill you?
Test it.
Ha! Papa, now will not come and kill you.
Hey, I want you to swallow it. Swallow it. I didn't see it pass.
Papa, I won't be able to.
Look at them. Look at their waist. Short and brief. Look at you. Waistless upus.
Victor!
What is
Why you go carry food before me? Are you machine?
Are you okay?
Eh?
Is something wrong with your brain?
Me! You are mad.
You
are mad.
You threw my food.
Yes. Eh? Victor! Oh!
Victor! Go one over! Victor!
Victor! No, that is
nobody should touch them.
Stand up and be big. After me, I Yes.
Beat him.
What's happening? Victor! No, beat him! Wait, Papa! Leave him alone! Wait, Papa! Fight him! Fight him! Fight! You can't fight, though!
Short man, Victor! Get up and fight!
You don't have to fight, though!
Short man, Victor! Hey! Nobody should touch them! Allow them!
Fight!
Can you leave them?
Victor, me and you!
Fight! Hey!
I want fight here. No, there must be fighting. Since you people are fight! There must be fighting. Are you sure you know that? You are going to write. You are going to write. Hey, shut up, everybody! You are going to write agreement. But you write an agreement. Yes, Papa. And bring it. Papa will write it. And we'll sign it. Bet. Now all of you get away from me. All of you get out. To fight.
I was looking for you.
What can I do for you?
Today is my turn to sleep in your room. Yesterday was even my turn. But when I came, she was there. And I wasn't ready to fight as a responsible woman that I am. Eh? So I came to ask you what you would like me to cook for you this night. So that...
What will I eat? What will I eat to do what now? Eh? So that I will die on top of you. That you want to kill me. Eh? Obioma, can you just leave me alone? Obioma, I don't have strength for you this night.
How can you say things like that?
Is it false?
Those you marry, most of them can't even walk. You
don't even consider the strength I spend in bullying one side. Carry one big leg like this, carry one leg like this before I come to the center of the lavis.
What is that now? Because it's my turn now, and you want to deny me of my legally marital rights. I'm the only legally married wife in this house. Do you know how many nights I've been closing my leg and cold will be catching me? And I will be doing it as a Christian woman that I am. You're here telling me this thing. Please don't tell me this. Is it me that says you got marry plenty wives? Just because you're a musician, you went and you get a mom anyhow. Is it my fault? Before I forget, that bag of rice support is finished.
Huh? What?
I cooked the last one this morning.
That the bag of rice we bought that is not up to a week. It's finished. And it's finished and you want me to come and fight this night. Oh, you want to kill me? Obioma, do you have anything at all better than all this mepoko that you want me to do?
If you to take me to buy a lomo or kai or mango, so you have power to do it this night. You must do it this night. You must do it very well this night.
Obioma, will you get out of this place? I don't want to hear all this. Whether you want to buy alomo, we want to buy gari, you want to buy ekpatashi, everything. Even monkey tail, I don't want it. I don't want to do.
Okay, you don't want to do it. I'll go and look for who will do it for me.
Hey! Obioma, what did you say? That you... Obioma, come here, Obioma. Obioma, what did you say? Victor!
Papa!
Are you true?
Yes, Papa.
Are you sure?
Yes, Papa.
Okay. Where are the orders?
Orders? Papa, they might be inside though. They might be inside.
Okay. I put you in charge.
Sure, sir!
I'm going to the city. I don't want any fighting. No quarreling. No boxing. No kicking. No rigmaroling. You heard that?
Good. At your service, sir.
Better.
Hey! Ladies and gentlemen, hey, listen to me.
Hey! Victor!
Papa!
I discharge you of that duty.
Papa, I can't do them.
Mabagan! Victor! I said that duty discharged.
Papa, I can't do them, Mabasi. Papa, allow me to handle them now. I can't do them, Papa, buy me something, buy me something.
Mbak, no! Because you are a naughty boy. Hey! Did you set blow for me? Hey, Victor!
Papa.
Huh? Hands down! Good.
Every day fight another.
Hello, Barrister John.
Hello, Chief.
Are you there?
Yes, Chief, I'm in the office.
Okay, okay.
You're already in your house? Alright, I'll be on my way, Just give me a few minutes, I'll be there with you.
Okay. So you meet me up, huh?
Chief,
There? Moo! Fat cow! Do you do anything in your life except eat, smoke, and shit? Eh? Kutuma Buru Banka. What is your business here? Kai! What is your business here? Eh? What are you doing here? You tiny lizard! Eh? Amy Tunga! Tiny lizard! Don't allow this big size to deceive you. Huh? See, I will just deflate you like bolombolo. Yeah? Sometimes I wonder if it is really my father that gave back to you. Me? Huh? I don't know, say. Sometimes I wonder if my father really gave back to you. I mean, you are one of the mixtapes of Bob Loco.
Then you are what? You are one of his urine. You are nobody. And if you speak too much now, I will slap you with one of my breasts.
What? Which breast? This Bono? Come on! Hey! Slap you. Eh? No, see. Idris. Oh, you want to challenge me? Oh, you want to challenge me? Wait. Idris. Where you? You want a bastard.
Ene, be fast. Make fire.
Okay, Duba. I'm not sure this food is going to be enough for everybody in this house. Eh?
Some will manage. Your father said he doesn't have money. So we have to go with the one we have. Eh? Make fire. Yanzu. Be fast. Make fire. Yanzu.
Yes, my friend. That's your receipt. So, madam.
Yes, sir.
How many months are you paying for?
I'm paying for 1 year, sir.
For 1 year?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Okay. You know you are one of my best tenants. Okay.
Oga landlord.
Yes.
Please, we're having a serious problem in this yard.
Yes. Problem?
Yes, sir.
What kind of problem is that?
I want you to see it with your own eyes.
Okay. Barrister John.
Chief.
Join her so that she can show you what the problem is all about.
It's alright, Chief. Madam, this way or that way?
This way, sir.
Yes, madam. How many months?
2 months, sir.
Won't you take your receipt, madam? When your husband comes back now, you say I did not give you receipt. Is that the way you pay?
Sorry, sir.
Better. Okay. Yes. Where are your parents?
They traveled.
They traveled?
But my dad said I should leave the this.
Okay. Hold it. Let's go to that side.
Okay, sir.
Chief. Yes. Barrister John. Where did she take you to?
Chief, actually what she's saying is out of context. She better do the explanation herself.
Okay.
Sir, our transformer spoiled almost 1 month now.
The transformer?
Yes, sir.
Went bad or went faulty?
Yes, sir.
But how does that concern me? That does not concern Bob Loco.
But sir, you have to do something about it.
Listen to me. It's the duty of the tenants. You people, gather yourself, you go to this NEPA office and lay your complaint. Do you understand me? Tell the NEPA people that there's no light. It's not our business. Barrister John, you didn't tell her that.
I've tried to, but that's why I said let her explain to you.
Young woman.
But sir, you...
I still want you to gather other tenants. Get other tenants and involve other people that uses that same transformer. You people should go to NEPA, lay a complaint that you have not received light for a long time. What? How many months?
Almost 1 month now.
You said 1 month?
Yes, sir.
1 month? No wonder you have pimple all over your body, rashes. I know you can do something. Or you can get yourself this smaller generator, the one they call I pass my neighbor. So you can avoid all these rashes. You know you're a beautiful woman.
Okay, sir.
I know you can do that. Okay, so go do it today, okay?
Okay, sir.
Madam, you've heard from the horse's mouth. You can now go.
Barrister John.
Chief.
Did you say horse?
Oh no, Chief. That's not what I mean.
So when did Bob Loco's mouth become a horse's mouth?
We have the horse, the animal, but there's another way of saying it.
But you called me horse. What stops you from saying Chief Bob Loco?
Okay. Madam, you've heard from
Barrister John. But she is not here now to listen to you.
I know, that's why I'm saying it so that...
Too late. Belated.
Okay, Chief. I would rather say you've heard from Chief Bob Loco's mouth.
The legend. The legend. The entertainment maestro. The icon of entertainment.
Chief Bob
Loco. Thank you. We collected
Whoa, Amina, I hope you get food for Obioma and her children.
Babu.
Huh?
Abunchi ya ikanan.
Whoa?
I didn't even keep for our husband.
I
can't kill myself.
You didn't keep food for our husband? Why now?
Yeah, he's shaking. What is your problem? If you so much love them and care for them, why not carry your own food, go and keep for them?
Ukamuso nyanshiri.
Gafara. Wo.
Afunko Gafara.
Amina.
Gafara.
Amina. I hope you know what you are doing, though. I hope you know what you are doing.
Bani.
Gafara. Gafara Hani.
Victor, come.
Diana?
Ene my sister. Ene kami. Mbo. Kuyarese. But we called you here because this very act of your mother will cause a serious problem in this house when those two crazy twins return.
Ma bananye back here. Me, I am no longer comfortable with the way we live in this house. You know now, this is not how we used to live in the city. And if you check this thing very well, you will see that those rascals, they are the cause of the problems in this house.
I told my mother about this, but she said there is no money in the house, saying that Papa said he don't have money, so I don't know what to do. Even at that, my sister, she should have shared the food for everybody, no matter how little. Me, I know why I'm saying this thing, no. I know.
Let's not just drag this. So what is the next solution? What do we do to solve this problem?
If you ask me, I suggest we dish out food from our own, ekbiri, and keep for them, because that's the only solution to this problem.
You're right.
Yes. That's a nice idea. That's a nice idea. Don't worry, we'll do as she said, okay? Come, let's go.
Hey.
Hi.
Why are you?
Hi.
Hi.
Mommy, I'm so tired and hungry.
Mama,
I
am hungry.
Hey, Mama, who's turn to cook today?
Oh, I mean, no, I mean, I was I
wish you can just disappear to the house.
Can disappear, Chokwamia. Can you put it?
Now I know that woman cooks rubbish.
Huh? All your rubbish, I mean, Nigerian. I do a Kamuru Kunu. I am one.
Mommy, I'm not about Kamuru.
I can only announce that on your boon. I am my young
I come in this hot afternoon.
Yeah, call it. She can't.
Idris! Madonna, where is our food? Idris, I said, where is our food?
Which food?
Idris, did I hear you say which food? So you went into the kitchen, you collected our food, and you sit here to say which food? Abante idemu son.
Who told you I collected your food? Who told you I took your food?
Idris, Etenyeme. But provide our food for us, though. Victor saw you now.
Aduena. Canopy. Etenkoliko. Deny it. Deny it.
What? Me, Canopy.
Canopy.
You like fall. You like pretend that food. Cry you for me that food.
You must provide that food. You provide that food. If you like, you provide that food. You provide that food.
Why you giving? Why you
provide that food?
You provide that food.
Mayor family, what is it? Is it?
Ayana,
come on.
Ayana,
Come on. What is it now?
Kigini Abundi Yankee. Mama, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Idris took our food and ate, and he's here denying it. Can you imagine, Mama?
Yes. Idris, the gaske? The gaske Gayamini?
One your son, oh. One more.
Yana, the food you did was so small, and I was still hungry. And Shegu told me that they didn't want to eat their food again because they're having prayers. We said it.
Why you, Allah? Shegu told you that?
Wallahi, we said it.
If I catch that boy, Ma Basi, if I catch that boy, I will use this my mouth. I used to eat ekpa and koko, afang soup, and any kind of soup in my mother's village. I will eat him up.
Kunasuya Rana, let me find where and prepare something for you to eat, okay?
Abunchi means food. Abunchi is food. Abunchi is food.
Where are people going?
We heard you say Abunchi.
Abunchi means food. Abunchi Yakari. No food is this.
Can you do?
Go back, oh.
I will win this time. Mama, you're taking my own.
Okay. Sorry. It's okay. Good day. Apara. Okay, Jen.
Pick two.
Okay, Idris. Yeah.
There's no food though. Mama, this food they keep food for us.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Go and take it yourself now.
I'm very hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry. I know I just came out for the family. I'm very hungry.
Mama, they didn't keep any food for us.
Cook something this afternoon.
How?
Because this plate here show they ate something. Now, Mama, look at it. Just take a good look at it. The remnants are so fresh on the plate. What is you?
You mean I cook food and did not keep for me and my children? Mba, mama, man. You mean Amina or Aminu one cooked food in my house, Lusekum, and didn't keep for me and my children? Mba, no,
Mama, since there is no food here now, let me just go inside. At least collect money now. I'll buy granite. What drink Gary now?
Which Gary? Me, I not drink Gary anything, no. Me, I will eat the food she cook. I not drink any Gary in this house. I not eat any granite.
Stop this, please, whatever. Stop it, oh. Stop it.
Bia, open a moment to Emegi. Ngasi why I will sack Mukakobia. Makani make a tool. Goat. You know, Pala.
Mama, don't listen to Emeka.
Why here there you say kum she do very muri. Mama. No mom, first wife of Fugon. Alright, Pala. Okay, that's Aminu. Okay. Aminu. She will give us our food. We eat our food.
Pick two.
Aminu. Obioma, why are you shouting my name like a mad woman? Kina, how can he? Are you mad?
Did you say I'm shouting like a mad woman? Go now. Enough, Walla. Aminu, enough, Walla. Where is the food you kept for me and my children?
Can't say anyone.
Say Bogi.
Anyway, which food are you talking about?
The food you cooked this afternoon, that's what she's talking about.
Food? Oh, food!
Yes! Food! Yes!
Abunchi, food. Play.
What's the play?
Amina, it don't happen. Go back today. I told you when you were sharing the food. Oh yeah, give them their food now. Oh, big bottle of chan. Emike, get out. Let me hear one. What is your problem? Anyway, Obioma, there's no food for you and your children. You better go and find something to eat. The chinkafa was too small to reserve for you.
Chinkagen, you give one. You didn't give food for me and my children.
Ladies and gentlemen, even though there is no man here, you are welcome to Pobloco's boxing ring. This fight is between one Nigerian and Becky. And from the look of things, one Nigerian seems to be the underdog. Thank you. Yes. Somebody's naked. Seems to be the underdog, and Mwakibo is yes, Mwakibo just the front. Mwakibo just the front. Even the Thompsons twins of Mwakibo are not even heavy mothers. They're as violent as their mother. What? Hey! Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Are you stupid? idiot! Canopy, can you leave me? Oh my God! Hey! Can you stop that fight? Stop it! Why have you people turned my compound to a rack and a round war? I am talking about Bob Loco, the legend, the high life maestro.
Papa, they are fighting for food though.
Food?
Yes. And I'm trying to separate them.
For food? Yes. Look at her face. Can you people take her into my car now? Take her and food set. And what are you waiting for? Can you take your mother into that car? Hey!
Papa, he didn't hear where. He said
Hey! Can you people take her now? Hey, take your mother. Take your mother. Move. Canopy. Move. Move, all of you.
Canopy.
Move.
Always naked.
Idiot.
He's always naked. Always naked. Like father, like son. Always naked. Let's go inside. Baba. No, we are done
Yeah, my brother, what's up? I'm there. Directly opposite, what's this nigga's name? It's Manako's compound, yeah. Nigga, hurry up, I ain't got much time on my side. Okay. Tunde Manigi! Amaji? Where the up? Chop down, no, this way. Oh, chop down. Yeah. That's my nigga, yeah. That's my nigga.
Hey, when did you return?
Hey, wrong question. You know what? Before I go to answering your question, I want to effect a correction here, okay? You see this dude right here? He was known as a Meche back in the days. But after going to the US and conquering, this dude is now called Michelin. That's what the game is in the west side, my bro.
Oh, the America, no. The America. Amechi, Michelin is the name of tire. Anyway, that aside, when did you return back from America?
Okay, just 2 days ago.
2 days ago.
So, my bro, where you heading?
Forget about me. I'm just walking along the road aimlessly. That's how I do it every day. I'm jobless, yes sir.
My brother, damn that crap. You're gonna tell me just walking around, having nowhere to go, no destination? No, come off that.
No, Michelin, you said, forget about me. Where are you heading to?
Well, I'm just waiting for one of my dudes to take me somewhere where I can get good native wine.
Palm wine? Water?
You got it, Jack, bro.
You have met the right person.
You know what? Huh? I'm mistaking that stove like mad over there.
You will take it now.
You know what the game is? You know, in Ghost and Country, I used to roll with my niggas in Oklahoma City, Nashville, Twin Falls, Toledo, Sacramento, Jacksonville, Portland, Oregon. Name them, bro. But here, I'm going to take it till I'm full.
Yeah, I know where to take you to. Let me take you to one Yochaba.
You mean you know where I can get it?
Around the banana.
Why am I waiting for this dude?
Let me take you to banana.
Hop in, let's drive away.
Get one Yochaba. You don't even want water. Meteli. Hey, Mete.
I need an alignment.
Honestly, Amechi, I wish I were you. Just look at you. Nobody will believe you are my primary schoolmate. Amechi, I want to be like you. I really want to be like you. Seriously.
My nigga, if wishes were horses, you know what? Beggars would have been riding on them.
I know that one.
But they aren't horses, okay? What you gotta do is just work hard, cross the normal T's you need to cross and dot the normal I's. And things work out for you. Listen, all you need to do now is be patient, calm down your nerves, and be focused.
Patient? Did you just say patient? I'm getting old and you are here telling me to be patient. See, I want to go to America. I want to be like you. I want to go to America.
Well, I think I like your guts. You got balls, okay? But let me tell you something. Going to the United States of America, God's own country, takes a whole lot of things from people. It desires what strength, determination, and courage. And more importantly, it needs money, make bucks. You need dollar bills, match.
Hey, Amechi, have you forgotten who my father is?
Let me tell you something. I can bet my scrotal sack you ain't got enough money to invest in such a venture.
You see Bob Loco, retired popular high life musician. Money is not the problem. I will speak with him. I know he will give me the money.
Wow, good news. I like niggas like you, determined ones. Okay, that's good. I need something like in the neighborhood of 1.2 million naira.
1.2 million gile? Naira? Hey, Amachi, that money is way too much.
Ian Beans, nigga.
Where am I going to get 1.2 million naira? Okay. I will speak with my father. I know he will give me the money. Believe me.
That's my nigga. You know why I love you? You feel in the gap, I need to feel it too. Okay? You know my way? I like doing my things my own way. So, what of this your dreadlocks? Did you join your father in his music business?
My brother, I tried though, but you know my father and his way. He said I will not be useful to his band. Maybe because of their lifestyle.
You know old men and their reasoning?
Yeah.
It's all good, it's all good. Yeah. You know what? I'm going to introduce you to niggas over there.
Oh, you mean
Yeah.
I look like somebody in America?
Yeah, my nigga. Rhodes, Oklahoma City, Nashville, Jacksonville, Twin Falls, Tornado, Jacksonville, Portland, Oregon, Massachusetts, Ohio, South Carolina, to mention but a few. But you know what? I'm gonna make you happy. Come get it.
I would like to meet this nigga. I would like to meet him.
Most importantly, I'm gonna take you to Miami.
Eh?
Miami.
America, Miami market. In America.
I never said Miami market, my nigga. I said Miami.
Okay. Miami. Okay. I would like to be there. Miami.
My customers, I hope today's palm wine is sweet.
From the look of things, I don't think it's that sweet. But we can bring something to complement or to add up to for your mistake.
Forget palm wine. Pepper soup is ready.
Yes. But Tanku is different from Tanku.
I'm getting it right away.
Pepper soup. I in America. We spend money in dollars.
That's my nigga. You know what?
Yeah.
I like doing my stuff my own way. I don't like copying no one.
There's no begging at all. Don't even apologize to me. A cow or 5 he-goats. Final.
Hey, Nai, biko boalo no mwazia. Boalo, these are just little children. Biko ni boalo no fa. Eh?
Who are you calling little children? These two of your flagos. These mothers.
Nai. Ha!
You are calling them little children. You see, every day I keep pondering. I keep wondering whether I'm actually the true father of these 2 rats.
Yay!
Because I don't have any twin in my lineage. Yes, it's true. You can bear me witness.
How can you say a thing like that? Nai. Okay, Mania, it's you that did this thing.
Oh yeah?
It's you that did it now.
Me?
Now, what do you mean by that?
Okay, let me tell you what I mean by that. Let me just make it clear to you. I had only Emeka and Kenneth before I left for the city. And when I returned, you told me that you were pregnant.
No, that's when I got pregnant for this.
And the result of that pregnancy is these 2 Alekas. These pureists. Look at them. Pureists.
Papa, what are you saying now? What are you saying? Are you saying that we are not your children directly? Is that what you're trying to tell us? Me, I don't understand what you're saying. I don't just understand what you're saying. I don't want to understand it.
Of course.
Papa, you can't be serious. So. Just because of this minor thing that just happened, you're here denying us. It's not fair. It's not fair. Mama, stop crying now. You know what Papa is saying is rubbish. Yes, so.
Oh my God. You said your father is saying rubbish. Did you hear what he said? That your father is saying rubbish.
No, stop saying
so how do I...
Some of them never know me. Some of them don't know me. Some of them keep for me. Every time the people jumps in. Some of them wanna whine for me. Some of them.
Now I believe what people say, that opportunity comes but once. My own opportunity has come and I must make use of it. I must travel to America. But wait, where am I going to get 1.2 million naira from? Anyway, I will discuss it with my mother first. Yes, that's what I'm going to do.
One week, for Baboloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Baboloko family. Wife dey benekete, pikin si dey
My husband, Tiedo.
Yes. Where are you going this early morning dressed like a fowl or chicken that was drained by the rain?
I'm going to see someone.
You are going to meet somebody. Dressed in this form? You want to go out there to attract the boys and the men in this village? Besides, you didn't even care to prepare my breakfast this morning.
It's not my turn to cook today. It's either Bimbo or Bioma. Please, my husband, let me go. I'll soon run late so I can meet up with Madam Kongaso.
Huh? Ubo, did I hear you say Kongaso? Okay. I can hear the music. The music is even calling you, not so? They are playing now for you. It cannot happen in this house. You go inside there and go and dress properly before you leave here. Okay, I can now see. You want to go outside there to share your booties. The way you used to share yourself in the city. No, not in this house. Not in my life. I am talking about Bob Loco, the music legend, the high life legend. No!
Why are you talking like this now? This is not good, oh. How can you say a thing like this now, eh? How can you say this? So because I fell cheaply for you, you think I'll just run around everyone I see in this village? This is not fair. This is not fair. It's not fair. Just because I love you. Check now. Is it fair? No, is it fair?
But Ubong. See, Ubong. You know I love you too. I cherish you so much. And you know that. But I, Bobby Loco, your own husband, my reputation is at stake. I can't just allow you dressed in this irresponsible way to go out of this house. No.
See, I just want, I'm going there because of you. I want to go and learn Nkwobi. I want to learn how to make Nkwobi for you.
Yeah.
Please now, let me go now.
But since you're going for me, the Nkwobi is for me. Is that not true? I don't want the Nkwobi. I don't want it. Just let's go in there. Instead of you going there to go and let him Nkwobi, let's go inside. Let me Nkwobi you. You know why? I cannot allow you to go out here so that somebody will Nkwobi you.
Hey, Itapeke. It's for you. I
know. Don't worry. We can learn how to do the Nkwobi here, or I can even do you the Nkwobi here. It's better. It's better that I do the Nkwobi than somebody else to Nkwobi you. No. Come. And besides, I can register you in a school of Nkwobi, where you will learn professional Nkwobi. Come on. Money. I know it's my money. See, Mbong, do you know I love you? Huh? Don't allow yourself to be Nkwobi.
Wahala no dey finish you for Baboloko family. Wife dey benekete, pikin si dey nyafu. 1 week, 1 torobolo for Baboloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Baboloko family. Pikin see dey nyafo. 1 week, 1 tolobolo for Baboloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Baboloko family.
What is happening? This idiot has been staring at your naked.
You see you? You're finished today. You have the guts to wash my sister when she's ready. You have the guts.
Hey, what is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Shegu, come back here. Shegu, come back.
Hey! Who Shetalumbanza? Always giving trouble in this house.
So you're running.
Papa. Shegu. Papa. What is the problem? What is chasing you?
Papa, Chineye and Choma.
Chineye and Choma? Yes. Chineye and Choma is chasing you. Hey! Troublesome animals.
Yes.
What is the problem now? Why are you giving me headache in this house?
Papa, you should have asked what happened, oh. You should have asked before jumping to conclusion. You should have asked now.
Do I need to ask? I know that the two of you are troublesome. Troublemakers that I have in this house is the two of you.
Papa, what you're doing is not good, oh. What you're doing is not good, oh.
What I'm doing is not good. Okay. Now, before the count of 3, the two of you have vamooshed from my presence. 1. Oh, you are deaf. Shegun.
Papa.
Chase them out of here.
2.
Yes.
But Papa, they are holistic. They are chasing me.
Get. Now you, Shegu, you, come here. Come here. You are troublesome too. Don't look for their trouble.
I don't even know where they had it.
For their trouble now. Forward march. Forward march. Forward march. March. Apple. Bottomless. Apple. Hey. Come here. Don't papa me. Come and remove these things from my foot. Come on.
Papa, this your shoe is heavy.
Shut up! If it's heavy, Guaju, Buria. Shake it!
Papi. What is my hiding?
Victor!
Shut up!
Hey,
What in be Shut up.
You know, say, now pardon this so.
Before.
And the money where you just they put out for your pocket so. Now papa money.
You know well. Now mama room before. Mo go madam conga so place.
Eh?
Mo go madam conga so place go flex. You know what flex?
You will talk like they talk small.
See this mom.
Ah. Go.
Come. This is how they do like this. Make I know here say you tell papa say I steal the money.
Are they crazy? All the time when they tell papa since he get money where they give me. Cut am, give me one part, make I hold so that one will reach as they pay and they pay.
Say cow, ma give you part of the money. You follow me still am. Cut off no they go. See, ma Abasi, if I hear him I go kill you, I go skin you alive.
No, we go chop.
Mímọ́ Olódùmarè, ọba ọmọ wí mímọ́.
Yami, you are here.
Omotunde.
You are here.
Benny, I am packing my clothes.
Okay. Yami, there is something very important and urgent I would like to discuss with you.
Kini, what is it?
Yami, God has answered our prayer. Just shout hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah again.
Hallelujah.
Shout it.
Hallelujah.
You remember my friend Ameshi? That's my classmate and
yes.
He just returned back from America. Do you know what he told me? That he will take me to America.
America? That is good. That is good.
And he said that it will cost me just 1.2 million naira. I will see myself in America.
Omotunde were near. What do you intend to get 1.2 million naira? You want to go to America? You don't even have an international passport. Talking more of visa. Now you are talking of 1.2 million naira. Omotunde.
But Yami, you have gold now. You have jewelry, Hollandis, all those things your father gave to you when my father came to marry you.
Otio, Omotunde. Omotunde olórí burúkú. Omo oshi. So I should sell my gold and my lace and give to you Tunde. Anyway, I don't have any gold to sell. I don't have.
This one no be jati. America boutique. Go
and meet your Baba. He just collected money from his tenants in the city. I am sure he will have money to give to you.
Eh?
Go and meet him. After, come and tell me what he said.
Every day fight another.
Papa, good evening. Good evening.
Yes, how are you?
Very fine, Papa. Papa, there is something very important I would like to discuss with you.
You want to discuss something with me?
Yes.
Okay.
Papa, this discussion is based on my future. I have made up my mind. I want to travel to America. Kanje boutique.
Bob Loco.
Papa Kanje boutique.
You want to travel to America?
Yes. Papa.
That's a good idea.
I know you like it.
A very good idea.
Well, Papa, I have made the inquiries, and from what they told me, it will cost me 1.2 million naira to travel to America. So I am here to collect the 1.2 million naira from you.
1.2 million naira?
So.
Okay. Collect it. Collect it. You are free to collect it.
What do you mean collect it? And you are leaving? You the money. Come on, move. America.
Hey, my boy! Emeka, how are you?
Fine.
Thank you. Where have you been all this while?
Pa, I'm coming from work now.
You went to work? Yes. That is my boy. Did you hear what he said? What? That he went to work. He hustled for himself. And that's what a real man is all about. But for you, Bashokod, what I know you for is you get up in the morning, you don't even brush. You eat, shit, even the evidence of the eating, nothing. Instead of you getting fat like your brothers, the only thing I find in you is lega, tiny rope. Tiny rope like a towing rope. Idiot. You want me to give you money to go to America? No. Come and take it. Come and take it. Idiot.
Papa, so you are comparing me to this thing here? When you're a 10, there's a barber, here -1.
What did you just say?
Yeah, Tunde. It's like you're not afraid.
Yes.
You don't get respect. Tunde, like you want to. If I handle you here,
the only thing you are good
at is if I handle, that is if I. I'm not going to see you.
Then don't talk about. Look for your mates.
If I die, if I die.
If I fight with my mates,
if I handle you.
The great musicians of all time. Oh, my good friend. The only star in this community. I can see you are enjoying yourself. They say music is the fruit of life. So, let us dance and merry. You know. Let's play it. You know.
My husband.
I can. You're a good dancer.
Thank you.
Big girl.
Let me go inside and rest.
Okay. Sweet.
Okay. Welcome, sir.
Look at the mosquito. Look at the mosquito. Look at the mosquito. Mosquito. Which mosquito, my friend? Aquala. You dey enjoy you. I beg you.
Omotunde, when you told your father about what we discussed, what did he say?
He said he won't give me. Eh? He said he's not my central bank. That I'm a useless son. Mama, imagine Papa comparing me to that antelope, Emeka.
You mean your father said all that?
Eh?
Mommy, Phile, don't worry. I will do something about it. Eh? Otito, I will do something about it.
Yummy, you're mounted. You get swag.
Don't worry.
Yummy.
I know what I'll do.
You're mounted.
Every day fight another. Babaloko loro one in love. Babaloko loro one in love. Babaloko loro one in love.
How come you? Food is ready.
Bimbo, thank you very much. Thank you. Yes. Oh, yeah.
Enjoy your food, you.
Bimbo.
Enjoy your meal.
Take this and go and keep it. Don't smoke it, oh.
Oh, don't worry me. How can I smoke your pie?
Keep it on top of my table.
Mm.
Where are you going to? You don't want to eat with me?
Don't worry.
all of you out here.
Babu.
Who among you walked into my room and stole my money? Okay. Who?
Nai, go and search very well. Which one are you?
I know exactly where I placed my money.
And you say you're looking for it. How?
And I am suspecting Choma and Chinenye.
Hey! Nai,
Papa. Papa, this one is insult, oh. This one is big time insult. What kind of a thing is this one now?
What kind of rubbish is this one now?
It's okay.
Eh?
Shut up!
Are you calling us thieves?
Of course.
You
are thieves. Because there's no other person again I have in this house that gives me trouble apart from the two of you.
Nai.
Papa, calm down first. You know we are many here. Any parallel. Any the Ajomasi, I trust you for before you know start to die, you don't come to conclusion. Because to avoid it.
Reverend Emeka Bob Loco. Thank you.
Papa. Okay. I'm following after you.
Bimbo!
How come?
Where is Shegu and Tunde?
Oh, I thought you sent them on an errand.
How come? You thought that I sent them on errand?
Oh.
Okay. Bisola?
Baba.
You thought too?
Baba, me or more.
Okay. Obang!
Yes, my husband.
Where is Shotman Victor Bob Loco?
Ndi ongi tente ba.
Here you tenteba.
Hey!
Okay. Hey, come on.
Why is everybody standing here? I hope I'm safe.
They are not only standing, they are facing firing squad. What happened? I am looking for my 10,000 naira. Do you have it?
Oh, they stole your 10,000 naira. See? Papa said that he's 10,000.
Kusema. Ina poala.
No.
Hey, Tunde, respect yourself. What rubbish is this one?
No, I'm just asking her. Is she not my sister?
Don't ask that kind of question.
No, where?
Okay. Everybody here is a suspect. On that ground, all of you kneel down. Kneel down, all of you. I said go down. And you, go down, you. Langa.
That is not my name.
Shut up.
Okay.
Bimba, why are you still standing?
Well, me, I cannot kneel down you.
You cannot kneel down. Then come on, go down. Lie down.
Yami.
Are you mad?
Yami.
Go down, lie down. Lie down. I will use it and thwack you.
Wahala no dey finish you for Baboloko family. Wife dey berekete, pikin si dey nyafu. 1 week, 1 torobolo for Baboloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Baboloko family.
Madam, hey, don't reach out.
What happened? What happened to myself? What happened?
Madam,
Eh?
your children finished themselves with drink today.
Yes, so. Them drink tumbo, drink kai, drink alamo. As they see them so, them dead close to their grave.
Oh my God! God forbid. My son will not die. Hey, Shegu.
Easy.
Hey. Please, my brother, please help me carry him inside.
Carry them inside. Another task.
Please.
Well, carry the small one. Carry the small one. Carry the small one.
Come. Shegu. Shegu.
Shegu, you will pay for this. So.
We pay me.
Every day fight another.
Are you telling me that on a Sunday like this, your children, I mean none of them, go to church?
It's only my first wife, Obioma, and the children goes to church in this my house. Apart from them, no other person again in my house talks about going to church on Sunday. Let me just ask you a question.
Yes.
If you have a son like that, my son, the one that looks like electric pole,
You mean this one?
If he comes to your church with that towing rope on his head, will you accept him?
You see, there you go wrong. This Christianity, you don't judge people with their outward appearance. It is
Not
a
on
thing
this
of
one.
the heart.
Not on this one. I'm telling you the truth. Not. Hey, my daughter.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Morning.
Where is your mother and my breakfast?
Babami, she's sweeping your room. And it's the Amina that is to make your breakfast.
Look, whoever that is making it, let the person be fast about it. Eh? Please do.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Akwara, how is your family?
We are fine, oh, my brother. We are fine.
I'm pretty sure.
No, seriously, it's not fun. Play what? It's not fun.
Hey!
Victor, I'll play the next one.
Play what?
Victor, don't worry. Finish.
I'll play the next one.
Victor will finish you.
Doing in the... Are you having any burial or ceremony? And you didn't invite me, your friend.
What do you mean by ceremony or burial?
Look at your wife. Emptying almost one bag of rice.
Ene! Mama, come and take this thing to the kitchen. Come and take this thing. Go!
The next one. Don't play cross.
That's how we do it here every week. My children consume more than a bag of rice every week.
What?
Yes.
You mean you and your children consume one bag of rice in a week?
The truth.
Hey! My friend, let me advise you. Why not go and meet the government so that they will give you your own community? No, don't laugh. It's a good idea. They give you your community. Maybe you call them Bob Loco community. So that when allocation comes, you get your own share.
Akwara, you will kill me with your silly jokes. Let me, yes. You mean I should go ask government for allocation? Okay, let me just ask you a question. Haven't you heard about a man who had more than 56 wives and almost 100 children?
That is not possible. It's just a tale we tell children in moonlight play.
The man I'm talking about is somewhere in Enugu. Enugu state that is very close to us. And he's even asking government to grant him his own community.
Oh, you see him? You see him? Anyway, that's by the way. Let's leave that one and talk.
Okay.
About something. Okay. What of that your sexy wife?
the great dancer.
Ah, you mean my sugar?
Yes.
My honey pie, my honey girl, my pom pom pom. She's such a great dancer. I met her first in a nightclub where I was performing. And she danced my head off. That was the reason why I married her. Just to upgrade my levels. She's preparing one.
You see, that's your wife. She's a good dancer.
I know.
And she's beautiful too.
I know.
She's very beautiful.
That is enough. You keep praising her as if you are the husband. I was on my way going out when you came in. Akwara.
I'm going again, boy.
Akwara. Come.
Make we stay small now.
Come. Come, let us go. Look at where you are going. Let's go. I know there's no problem, but you know I'm out of the house.
No. She belongs to me and I belong to her. Oh baby, you go kill somebody.
Ebon?
Huh?
Mommy walk me.
Mbolo.
All one in Nule.
Okay, tell her I'm coming. Let me spread this cloth.
Okay.
Ba.
What is inside?
This is the document to your father's house in the city. With this document, you can do anything you like with that house. Ba. Hey. Omotunde Omomi. Since you told me that you want to travel to overseas, I will do anything to support you.
Thank you.
Ejo Omotunde. I took this risk because of you. I know you will not disappoint your mother.
Yami. Trust me now. You know I will not disappoint.
I took this risk.
Yami Jojo. You are the best mother in the whole world.
Anything for you, my son. Anything for you. Take it.
Obama.
Hey. Do anything you like.
Hide it
very well. Hide it.
Obama. Hey! Kanje boutique no. Mbanye obodo Obama. Ebute m ike uda agbabazie choke nwanne.
Every day fight another.
Hey man! Oh, how are you? Yeah.
Momloko. So congratulations, Momloko.
Yeah, boy.
Wait. This man will not kill us in this village. See breast. See Timberland.
That Timberland is on Greek herself.
Because we don't see something for this village.
For a man, he gets swag.
See long sauce.
He needs to watch him dance.
Oh boy, yeah. Now die.
Momloko.
I don't die.
Swag man. Look at it. Look at this son.
So, both of you have the gut to enter my room and steal my money.
Papa, that question should be for Victor.
Ask what else?
Because...
Shut up, you
Won't you talk?
idiot.
Papa, it's Victor that steal your money.
Papa, don't listen to him. Mabasi. You stole the money. I suggested we go to Kongaso.
Oh, you did not only steal my money, you went to Kongaso at your age. Which means if you get to my age, you will destroy and demolish Sheraton Hotel.
Baba, Mabasi. I swear with the name of my local government chairman. This big fatted...
Hey, shut up! Shut Shut up! Who is the local government chairman? He will be voted out this time around because he is a corrupt local government chairman. And you are corrupt. Yes! Hey! Now, before I close my eyes and open it, both of you are down for flogging. 1, 2.
Papa, this is my size.
Shut up!
Papa, the big one is for people like him.
No, you never go now. Just keep up. So you want to determine the one I will use to cane you people? Huh? Okay. And you? Hey, come on! Hey! If I hear I will repeat. I will start afresh.
Papa, Papa,
You say, I will start afresh. Come on. Hey,
Papa,
Yetom. Come on. Oh, you are still saying, your case is suspended. And you?
Every day fight another.
Shut up. Okigala. Mr. Okigala. I will show you another style.
Papa, that one is for.
Every day fight another.
Come on. Shift it. Position it very well. 1. Better.
2.
Come on. Yes. Better.
2.
Better.
3.
Papa.
And you? Okay. Okay, Belgium.
I said it. Fatmalu, why are you disturbing the peace of the entire neighborhood? See, if you have become mad, you know the best place to go. Ecos Market. Go there and practice your madness. This is a wrong location.
Kini kasama me hauka.
It's
you that is smart, not my sound. Meneni.
Mama Idris here is suffering from Yonsin.
You are the one suffering
from
Yonsin.
He took excess ego.
It better may go before you talk plenty talk now. Go carry plenty gari and milk. Come give her. If not, this is our village market. Go be small place for her to parade.
Hey, what is all this cacophony? Cacophony of noise here.
Igbo.
What is happening here?
Igbo.
Come, canopy.
Igbo.
Papa, Idris is running bad though. Allah Sinebaki. It's you. Your siblings are including your mother that are running mad. Not my son.
Back to sender.
Emike. Emiamina.
Back to sender.
Shele Ilopolomo. Is this what you call a son? Omo jati. Olori buruku ye. Ajani. Tofi-chan. Gafara.
Where is my whistle? Can you shut up? Shut up your mandibles. I ask the question again. What is happening to Canopy?
In the okay. Idris ran in here shouting on top of his voice.
Shouting?
But Victor said it's Yonsi.
Yes, Papa.
Yonsi.
Idris is suffering from Yonsi.
What brought Johnson into this matter?
Papa, Idris is suffering from Yonsi. Yogodo.
Papa, Johnson is excess smoking of weed. Without food. But Shegu suggested he drinks Gary and milk.
Then get the basin of Gary. Get the basin of Gary and the gallon of water now.
Gary.
Get the Gary. Get the water. Get the drum of water.
Victor.
It is only you You alone is suffering from Okayeko, Johnson, Okode Ekpene, even Igbo. Only you. You are finished.
Papa, this man is a security risk.
Security risk? Yeah. Langa. Why not get the village vigilante to arrest him?
A council market is the best option.
No.
No.
Shut up. Shut up. And better. Get a drum of water. Get a drum of water. Get water. Get drum of water.
Dana Zaimutu.
Sanko. Idris Alago Sanko.
Amina, can you see it?
Sanko.
Mijina. Can you see the product you produce? Mijina again. What you have here is Nebuchadnezzar. Nebuchadnezzar.
Nka Nebuchadnezzar na Atagari?
Yes. Nebuchadnezzar Atagari.
Atagari Nebuchadnezzar. Ovoko.
Mijina.
Idris Alago Sanko.
Dana Zaimutu. My son is dying.
Bansankege. Idris Alago
What you
Sanko.
have is
Hey!
Let me tell you what you have here. What you have here is Nebuchadnezzar.
Yes, Nebuchadnezzar. Sanko, what is this? Idris Alago Sanko. Igbo is
Obioma. Can you carry your children inside? Go and pray.
Jesus. Jesus.
Carry me dey go.
Jesus, carry me dey go. Carry me dey go. Jesus, carry me dey go. Carry me dey go. Jesus, carry me dey go.
There's no motor that will carry this man.
Carry me dey go.
Let me tell you. Jesus cannot come down with any motor to carry this man.
Carry me dey go. Carry me dey go. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Jesus. Hey.
And you, carry him in the God, carry him. You think Jesus will come down with this? What kind of motor do you think that Jesus will use in carrying this man here? Mbana. You want to frighten Jesus?
I will be heaven on the last day.
You want to frighten Jesus?
I look like John the Baptist now.
Nebuchadnezzar. Nebu.
Chai.
Nebuchadnezzar na tayi yakje ni mo ya.
Amen. Why you pray him?
Amen.
You will heal you.
Amen.
Hey.
Bam. It's me, Tunde, the son of Ishie Bobloko, the great retired high life musician, Esquire Bobloko. Good afternoon, ma.
Afternoon, my son.
I am looking for she's inside.
Yes. He's taking his birth. Come inside and wait for him.
God bless you. Thank you, ma. Hey, thank you. God bless you.
You can sit here.
Okay. God bless you. Let me go to America. Man, a better business. Bobby go dey come in. This is Sabi dance.
You know how they go.
And I know as they be now, when you just share the body, equal 50-50.
No, what did they cause this nonsense? What be all this one now? Which kind of nonsense be this one? You be a pork pies? Can't saddle your brain, you be a pork pies? What did they cause that one now? What did they cause that one? She will go house to finish, work like elephant, call the chop like ant, abi? You see a daisy? Now mind yourself, take your time, Ma about say I go deal with you if I try this nonsense next time.
You two they talk. Share that in a bag.
Which kind of be this, eh? You supposed to share the money now, 50-50, eh?
Yeah. If no be us where they arrange those people where they pay, they no go gree pay. Sure you know that one.
Leave that thing. We know. All of us there will know so now and I bring the idea. But not forget say artist and manager wanna be. We not fit share the same thing, we not fit share equal. Artists need to the trust, now we go the fresh, if they do something when money go till they come. Not forget say now we buy and drink that day for Madam Congasso joints. I'm go sit back for now.
I better tell them make them know in case they don't forget.
Just See. Ah. Now use this one whole body.
And that in your finger.
Take him easy now.
See, you want to do this thing,
What's in this?
Be this is too small now.
See, with this kind of thing do, we're not going to run this with you next time. Tomorrow, no go do this matter again.
You wanna try enter tomorrow. This time around, we go enter market. I rent big speaker. Make better money.
Guy, lock up. Your man go down the sweet. When time reach now to deliver, and I go to find. Now, I'm gonna lock up, guy. You see these people, we go look them twice.
But did they sweet them?
In fact, any amount say they be. If our papa green go come, if papa no green, we go lock up.
See. Una papa no supposed to be excused at all, eh? What I go do tomorrow? Me I just make come out from house. We go enter market, make better money. All we need a big speaker.
Leave that thing. Tomorrow, nobody will see sugar. I not go leak.
Men I go do better practice tomorrow. Now this money no fit buy akara. I don't know which one be your own self. Wait.
Outside dancing with these things in my community.
Have you run amok? Oh my God. Oh, this English is too high for you. Let me break it down. What I'm saying is, have your brain gone wacky? Papa, my friend, shut up your mouth. Aleka. What I'm saying is that your brain have gone sour, saturated, and in fact enveloped with what I call incubus camopas. What you need is to visit a vulcanizer to balance your brain.
Papa, you're insulting my mother.
Shut up! Do you know when I married your mother? Do you know? Supposing I wash you off into the toilet or the latrine, would you have stand there to talk to me?
Yes.
Hey! Shut up! What I'm saying is that your brain have gone watery. Has gone what I call basilical and medulla what?
Medulla oblongata.
Thank you! Thank you!
This prostitutes, you go back. Disgrace.
Anyway, let me just pardon you. You know, you are not used to these new facilities. Anyway, you know, come on here. Come on, play my music. Thank you. Come on. Hey, abomination.
Collect it.
Thank you.
Collect it.
But local warriors. Give me a palm. Give me a palm.
Yes,
give me a palm. Good.
I know it's you.
How did you know?
I know your hands.
Penny, how are you?
What kept you? I waited for you so long.
I'm so sorry. I've been so busy at home doing domestic. You know mommy's wahala now.
And even at that, you would have kept your time. Now look at the time you're coming.
Sorry. I missed you, honey. Come here.
Is this not Bob Loco's daughter kissing a man under a tree? Eh? Is this what the youth of this village has turned to be?
So now, for your mind now, you are spoiling my happiness now. Eh? No, you are spoiling my happiness now and you are happy. Eh? I'm asking you.
So you still have the mouth to talk? Eh? If you don't you know you're a disgrace to your father? A disgrace to women as a whole.
Hey, Chakwala, whatever you think they call you, respect yourself. Are you hearing me? Let today be the first and the last day you interrupt my affairs with my boyfriend.
Will you shut up, you stupid?
Shut up what? Is it your business?
I said shut up.
Is it your business? You don't mind your business.
Wife dey berekete, pikin si dey nyafu. 1 week, 1 trouble for Baboloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Baboloko family. Wife dey berekete, pikin si dey nyafu. 1 week, 1 trouble for Baboloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Baboloko family. Wife dey berekete, pikin si dey nyafu. 1 week, 1 trouble for Baboloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Baboloko family.
All the boys, this way. That is my left. Whether small, short, medium, or fat, from my left. All ye daughters of Zion, I mean my wives, to my right, this way. All ye daughters of Eve, all my daughters, to the center. On a straight fire. Yeah. On a straight fire. According to your height and sizes. 1! Everybody look at this man. I'm sure everybody knows this man. I'm talking about Chief Aquala.
Yes, Papa.
A dangerous sacrilege has been committed by one of you. A very wicked one. Especially these daughters of Eve's. Hey! Canopy! What? Can you drop that nonsense? Come on, squeeze it! Balloon. Canopy. Abacha. Idiot. A very wicked sacrilege against heaven, spirit, and even the ancient people. And it is against our tradition, the tradition of this ancient kingdom. One of you did not only flog Chief Aquara, but pushed him down and flogged him mercilessly.
Ọlọ́run má jẹ́. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́.
Chief Aquara, go down and identify anybody that flogged you. I know you know them.
I know the stupid girl that flogged
me. Hey! Remove stupid. Where? Go down, identify the person. They are not stupid. They are only behaving bravely. Bravely like their father. Identify the person. What? Go. Identify them. Come on, stay there. Be there.
Look at her.
What are you saying?
You are the one that beat me.
Me flogged you. What kind of rubbish is this one?
What
kind of nonsense is this one? Choma, look at what this man said that I flogged him. My sister did not flog you. Me, Sef, I did not flog you.
No, she's the one.
Which you? Me flogged you.
You are the one that flogged me.
You're dreaming. I did not flog you. That is the truth.
I don't know who flogged you.
Are you confused now?
confused. You are confused.
You don't even know who flogged you.
You
don't know who flogged you.
Chief Akwala,
What is happening here?
it's like you are confused.
Honestly, I am confused.
Then go.
Check well, check well.
Do you need sunglasses or binocular glasses? You are actually confused. Yes. Well, my beautiful damsel, my beautiful wives, my beautiful girls, and my handsome boys, you can walk happily, majestically to your various rooms. Come and do it. Idris, didn't you call those girls?
Papa, he sent for us.
Between you two, who flogged Chief Akwala?
Papa, I did not flog him. Papa, I did not flog him.
My friend, don't play pranks with me.
Oh, I did not flog him. I did not flog him. You flogged him? No. Did you flog him? Not flog him. Do not flog him. Papa, we do not flog him.
I said, who flogged Chief Akwala?
Papa, we do not flog him. Papa, we do not flog him.
Okay. Since you did not flog him, I will flog both of you.
Ha! What we do not flog you? You now come and flog us. Why you want to flog us now?
Idris! Attention! Shegu!
Papa.
Attention! Idris! March them down. Bring them down. 1, 2, 3.
See, if you near me, I'll pull your eye. Don't
touch
me, don't touch me. Papa, she want to flog us. But you want to flog us, Abi?
Yeah.
You want to flog us.
Yeah.
You want to flog us, we'll lie down. Papa, flog us, you want to flog us. Flog us. Come on, flog us. Flog me.
Wahala no dey finish you for Baboloko family.
I know I'm too big to cry, but I'm just doing it because you're my brother. And you're the only brother I have in this house. In this whole house. I'm just begging you for money. Just 500 naira. I know my mom will kill me if she hears this, but please, don't let anybody know. Just borrow me this money, I'll pay you back. Allah told me in my dream that I'll make money, that I'll pick money. And I'm sure I'm just passing through trials now.
Abeg, brother, stand up.
I am not standing.
Which money they talk, sef?
Real money. Real money. Allah revealed to me that I will have this house 10.
Papa house?
Papa get money. Papa never see money now. In my dream.
What is going on here? Why are you kneeling down before my younger brother?
This is how we do it. I do it.
No, you are right. It starts like that, gradually. And before we sell Jack Robinson, you hit the street. Because they say, Abrara. Come. What is the problem? I said it. Egibo. Egibo. Idris. Agbagongo. Senata kan Igbo. Senata kan Igbo na Gbamada. Ihe awusa. Let's get it. Opoko. Opoko.
We are pushing it. I want to join you. Can you walk?
Amaka. Hey, stop. Amaka, that's my pair of jeans I'm wearing. I just bought it. I'm talking to you. Go inside and remove that. What is your problem now? Come on, go and change those things. Amaka, this is a pair of jeans I just bought. I have not even used it.
Is it because you want to buy her? Don't touch me. Respect yourself, oh. But Amaka, you don't tell him.
I don't know your sisters.
What sister? Come on, go and change this thing.
Get me alone. Respect yourself. But Amaka, you don't tell him. Don't touch me, Abel. You want to come this chick. Come and remove it. Come and remove it.
What's your problem? What's your problem?
In fact, go and get me my cheek. Get me my cheek or get me my cheek.
Are you okay? Okay. This one you wearing now, it's not my own.
It's your own, but I amended it now, it's my size.
My friend, leave them alone, they will come back. Okay? I'm not sure. Go and sit down, my friend. What's all this?
Omotunde, your mommy. How did it go?
Yami, everything is working as we planned. I have seen the person that will buy the house. He has agreed to pay 20 million naira.
Otio, 20 million naira?
Yeah.
For that big house? 20 million naira is too small. It is too small for that big house.
Yami, it doesn't mean anything. After all, I'm not the person that built the house. 20 million naira is okay.
Okay, Owoda, where is the money? Where is the money?
Yami, calm down. The man said that I should come tomorrow to his hotel room.
Omotunde, I hope you have not given him the documents.
Yami, don't you trust me again? I'm not daft. I have the documents and I will not release it to him until he provides the money.
Okay, I trust you and I believe you. Don't give him the documents without collecting the money. Anyway, I trust you.
Yes.
I trust you and I believe you.
Hi.
Yeah, welcome, sir. What can I do for you?
I am here to see Chief Lawal.
Chief Lawal?
He's in room 25.
Is he expecting you?
We have an appointment.
Okay. Let me call and confirm.
Okay.
Hello, Chief. A young man is here to see you, sir. Your name?
Tunde.
Okay, Tunde, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, climb the staircase by your left, room 25. Yeah, by the left.
God bless you.
You're welcome, sir.
Come in. Okay. Good afternoon.
Hey, you're welcome. Have your seat.
Okay.
The money is ready. I hope you are with the house document.
I came with it. Yeah, with it.
What job I made? I made new job. Tunde.
You know you are supposed to give me money before you sign.
I'm not worried. Babe, like you. Yeah, I'm on that.
I say I'm just doing this because you're a gentleman.
I know, and you're boy we say.
If not, I don't do like this.
Gentleman, go see. Tunde. Now you're talking. Here is the money. It is well arranged, as you can see. You can take it and enjoy yourself. Yes. Take it and enjoy yourself. Tunde.
Nice being business with you.
Tunde. Baba rẹ lójó. Baba rẹ lójó.
I am pressed. Where is the restroom?
Okay. Just there. There, yeah.
Okay.
Hey!
I'm robbers. What did I do to these people? Get them. What a dangerous mess. A terrible thing. Sad news, nigga. A shipwreck. You know what I call this? A tsunami. This is an hurricane.
I mean, it's so terrible. I just don't know how to face my brother. I just don't know how to face my mother. That's my biggest headache now.
You gotta calm down, my nigga, okay? You gotta calm down. You know what's up? I'm like thinking, now this shit is done. How you gonna go about it? Cause you need to take your damn ass out of this goddamn village to the United States of America, God's own country, and run ships with me and my niggas over there. Okay, now this is done. How you gonna go about it? It's blown up.
Blown up? For where? Amechi, I must travel to America. America, here I come.
Nigga, you make me laugh. You know why? I like doing my own shit my own way. That is what my niggas know me for in America. In Nashville, Cincinnati, Sacramento, Twin Falls, Nashville, Jacksonville, Oklahoma, Massachusetts, name them. I do my shit my own way. You told me a few minutes ago some goddamn armed robbers got your track and got the money off you, so how you gonna go about it?
My brother, as if I knew I was going to be attacked by armed robbers. I removed 1.5 million naira from the briefcase. Immediately, Chief Lawal handed it over to me.
This dude must be a bad nigga for real.
Very bad nigga.
You got it, huh?
How do I go there?
You're the bad dude for real.
1.2 is here. Meseli, take me to America.
I'm gonna fly you down to the United States of America, God's own country, and get to roll with me and my niggas over there, okay? Oklahoma City, Nashville, Toledo, Sacramento, Virginia City, Oregon, Portland. Name them, nigga.
I like how you speak this slang.
You're the bad dude for real.
Ọmọtúndé, mo gbé o, Ọlọ́run, Olúwa o, mi ti kú o, Ọmọtúndé, Ọmọtúndé, mo gbé o, Ọlọ́run, I warned you not to give them the documents. I told you not to send the house you.
Mama, which time?
Olúwa.
Which time you want me now? Not me and you there, plan as we go take set the house. Bring down your voice. Bring down your voice.
your voice.
You mean our robbers took the whole 20 million?
Not all. Not all. I have 1.5 million left for my American visa. Yeah, me old women, old people don't tell lies. So we were this together. Why are you denying me? Yeah, me it's not good though. You are denying your son. You are denying your son. We did this business together.
I want you. I want you.
Oh, Mama. Good morning.
Good morning, my son. Obinna, have you come to break the firewood?
Yes, Mama. Mama, where is the firewood?
It's at the backyard. Yeah, such a good boy. God will bless you. God will bless you, my son. Yeah.
I'm Siflawa, Balogun of Egbaland. This is my barrister, Barrister Clem. My purpose of calling all of you out here is to announce to each and every one of you that this very house has been sold to me by the owner. Hey. Benny, Benny. Hey.
Oga, I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I don't believe any word that come out from your mouth. You liar. Onya said the kage. Liar.
Chief Lawa or whatever thing you are called. If I told them, you cannot come to this yard and cook up nonsense, all this kene lies to us. So you should tell him, tell him.
Liar, for your information, Chief Bob Loco can never sell this house without informing all of us here. Baba already liar. Bobo and one family in the liar. Quiet everyone. I will saw all of you in this compound. I will saw all of you in this compound. Quiet everyone. Don't worry. Quiet. Oh, but barrister, then let's go. You will see me soon. Go.
The Victor, the son of the great king of Highland music.
Me.
I know you. How are you?
Na me, Baba Victor.
Bob Loco Jr.
You know now. Pile send me. Say we can come collect better cookish green leaf. Tight one. See, no be just ordinary better one, no. Original grandfather.
You are really the Loco Jr. Bob Loco Jr.
For 5 years. Grandfather for 5 years.
And where the money now?
I no fit do you now, you know now. Now you dey learn work.
Have you done loss?
For wetin now I go lost the money.
Why you dey search your pocket? Have you know there for your pocket again?
Now, as you dey hustle, don't forget to confirm bookish grandfather for 5 years. Make I help you hold this one now.
Oh yeah, hold am, make you no smoke am.
No, for waiting now. Now help you now.
The small junior Bob Loco. Victor.
And I don't return.
You are the original Bob Loco.
Nabi,
anybody where don't see your papa. You dey smoke?
No.
You be like say you go smoke more than your papa.
Now, let me be original son of my papa. I want for you.
Make you tell your papa, say I salute him very well.
No pee, nothing be.
Go tell your papa, say I salute him. This will be like say this small boy go smoke past him papa as I dey look him. The small boys of nowadays. Now wow.
Metalin, my American leader. Hey, Mete. Mommy, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my son. I heard you shouting Amechi.
Yeah. He said I should come, so let's call him.
Yeah.
Call him for me.
Amechi has traveled back to America.
Amechi has? Amechi has done what?
He traveled to America.
Traveled to America?
Did he not tell you?
With my 1.2 million naira?
Amechi traveled yesterday.
Huh? Amechi has... What Amechi for me now?
What's the matter, my son?
Where is Amechi? Where is Amechi for me? I'll give you my hands. Where is my money? Amechi, can you go to America with my 1.2 million naira? Okay. Mama! Victor, Victor, what is wrong? Victor, you're my brother. You know that I have no other brother except you. Just help me with small. Help me with little of Papa's grandfather. Listen, I have wrestler. I will just tie it and mold it, and that will be okay.
You want to move small?
Yes.
Mabasi, Papa will find out. Oh. Brother Idris.
Papa will not find out. How will Papa find out?
See, I don't want Papa's problem. Oh.
Papa can never find out. Listen, okay, you know what? You win. Let me just perceive it.
You want to perceive it?
Let me just perceive it.
Perceive it.
My food berekete, pikin si de nyafu. 1 week, 1 torobolo for Baboloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Baboloko family. My food berekete, pikin si de nyafu. 1 week, 1 torobolo.
Did you get it?
Yes, Papa, I did.
Good boy. Come on, let me help. That's very good. Did Mbappe ask after me?
Yes, Papa. As a matter of fact, he said I should convey his greetings to you.
Thank you, boy. Thank you, boy. Oh. Victor! I don't like the way you look at me. If I ever see you do this, if I ever catch you do this, I will squeeze you. I will rumple you. Did you hear me?
Yes, Papa.
Yes, I will rumple you. Now, get out. Get out!
Let me help you.
Bimbo.
Hey!
What is chasing him?
Don't worry me. How can I know what is chasing him?
Are you asking me a question now? I said, what is chasing him? Can you go after him? Go after him!
What?
Run!
Amotindo, mommy. This one you're packing your bag. Where are you going to?
Yami, Amechi just called me. He said I should come to Lagos straight away. My international passport and visa.
You want to travel to overseas? Along. I'm happy.
Yami, I will rush now. If I miss my flight, I'm traveling with a 4:15 p.m. flight. Okay. I will call you when I get to Lagos. And then flight.
Go well, you.
I will call you when I get to Lagos.
Go well. Thank you, Baba. Baba Sheo. Father, thank you. To Omotunde, Omomi, overseas. Baba.
I'm going to Lagos.
To see who in Lagos?
Papa, I'm in a hurry. I don't want to miss my flight.
Who do you know in Lagos?
Oh, Papa.
Hey! I will beat the hell out of you.
Why are you such in a hurry?
Hey! 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 Hey!
Oh, I did not do anything.
That's the man. My friend, you're under arrest for the murder of one Mrs. Patience Wong.
I didn't mean to kill her. I didn't mean to kill her. It was...
Shut up! I say shut up. You better remain silent, for anything you say or do now may be used against you in the law courts.
Shut up. Tunde, did you kill any Mrs. Patient? What?
I just went there to collect my money. I didn't mean to kill her. It wasn't intentional.
Didn't mean to? Oh, Tunde. You disgraced me.
Shut up there! Officers! Arrest him!
Officers!
Move it! Shoot!
Move it! Move!
Kinode, what is it? Where are you taking? What is it? Where are you taking my son? Where are you taking my son? Where are you taking my son?
Police!
Taking my son.
Come and take the mother!
Taking him though.
Come and take the mother! Join them! Don't join them! Police! Police! There's another murderer in my house! Come and take the mother!
Taking him away.
Yes!
You're taking my son away.
How?
Mommy. Oh, mommy. Oh, no, mommy. It's okay. Mommy. Emi. Oh, mommy. Sorry. Mommy. Sorry now. Ndo. Mwazia. It's okay. Mommy,
There's a man out there, sir. He said he wants to see you.
Let him in.
Thank you.
Good day, officer.
Good day. You're welcome.
Can I sit down?
Of course, you can sit down. Is there anything I can do for you?
Yes, officer. My son was arrested and brought to this station yesterday.
Your son?
Yes.
What's the name of your son?
Tunde Bobloko. Yeah, Tunde Bobloko.
Oh, so, that Badra is your son?
Yes, officer, but he is not a murderer. He said it was a transferred aggression, and that's why I came to see you personally so that you can investigate this matter and verify the truth behind it.
For your information, I've clearly investigated this matter. Interrogated your son too. Though he adduced reasons for killing the woman, it was the other way around. He mistakenly killed an innocent woman instead of the man he did business with.
Well, officer, is there anything I can do to bail my son from here?
Well, there's a way out. If only you can raise the sum of 200,000 naira.
Did you say 200,000 naira?
Nothing less.
Okay. Okay. I'll get back to you. But please, officer, you have to help me. I want my boy to be bailed from this state.
Aye, Samadara Milo. Samadara Milo. 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 Aye, Samadara Milo.
Idris!
Hey! Allah has defeated all my enemies. Wallahi, I'm so happy.
Your enemies? No problem. Murumu Banka Shawura. Idris, I didn't ask you not to dance. Go on, dance. But wait, let me warn you. There is no food for you this afternoon. So if you like, jump, dance.
Hey, if this is a joke, you better stop it. I am very hungry. And as a matter of fact, I need food. Because I need to be happy so that I can celebrate the victory which Allah granted me. Yes.
No problem. You will eat me very soon.
Samaradillo, aye, Samaradillo. Samaradillo, aye, Samaradillo. Samaradillo,
Agbaya. Odoshi. Come back here. Where are you going to?
Bimbo.
How come me?
I still don't understand the kind of business that made Tunde to kill this woman.
Me more. Me too, I don't understand. How come me? But we have to bail him first.
Well. The DPO said he will help me resolve the case. But it will cost me 200,000 naira to bail Tunde.
Otio, 200,000 naira. Yeah. How come me?
Cash. 200,000 naira cash.
Where will we get that kind of money?
I am confused. I just collected my house rent from my tenant. It's not up to a month I collected the house rent from my tenant in the city. Which means I will have to task them again to help me bail Tunde.
No, you will not tax them again. The ones they paid has not expired.
Yes.
I think you should talk to some of your friends. Benny, you should talk to them. Let them give you money.
Yes. I think you have a point there.
Benny.
You have a point. That's good. But Bimbo.
How come me?
You have to be very, very prayerful. I've watched you over and over and over and over. You don't pray. The only thing you do is you sleep, and when you sleep, you snore.
Otio.
You snore heavily.
Otio.
And in cause of your snoring, you discharge gases, you pollute. The only thing I hear you just you gas. That's the only thing. You must learn how to pray.
How come me? Irony, how come me? That is not true. That is not true.
You have to be very, very prayerful.
Sorry for wasting your time.
No.
You see, I have to put up my different service to make up this 50,000.
Thank you very much.
Please manage it like that.
Thank you.
You see, Bobloko, there's nothing I cannot do for you. If I have more than 50,000, I would have given to you.
I know. Adding this 50,000 naira to my own 50,000 naira is 100,000. Let me go and look for where I can get 100,000 naira to make it 200, so I can bail my son.
You see, God will help you.
Thank you. You are right.
I wish you good luck.
You are right. You know, in those days of my active in entertainment, we used to call people like you a good pal.
Bob Loco.
Chuck Knuckle.
What?
Chuck Knuckle. Come on.
Bob Loco, Bob Loco.
Oh, how I wish you are a musician. I would have done a collabo with you.
Which one is collabo?
Collabo, singing together.
Oh, is that the meaning?
Yes.
Bob Loco.
Akwala, thank you. Thank you. You are a good friend.
Bob Loco.
You said you need 100,000 naira?
Yes, I need 100,000 naira. Please, I will pay you back in a month time.
Just 100,000 naira?
Yes.
Alright. What if you don't pay as you said?
If I don't pay you back in a month time, you can take my car.
That old car of yours? No, I don't need it.
But it's movable.
No, it doesn't matter. I even prefer my old bicycle to that car. Besides, I don't know how to drive a car.
But you don't need to bother yourself much about that. I will definitely pay you in a month time.
But Loco, I'm not doubting you. But we have to have an agreement.
Agreement?
Yes. I will give you that money. Only on one condition.
What condition?
That is, if you cannot be able to pay me as you said, I will come and take your twin daughters.
Take my twin daughters?
Of course.
For 100,000 naira?
Yes, of course.
As marriage or what?
Of course, marriage. So, are you in or out? So that I can
I'm
go.
out in. I'm in.
Okay. Be in, I'm coming.
My twin daughters. Is that a concussion or what?
No, it's my bank.
Your bank?
Yes. Just sign this.
Officer, this is the money.
I see. 200,000 naira.
Yes.
Very well then.
Please, officer, I want you to help me release my boy. He's a precious boy to me, please.
I've had you. Let me prepare the necessary documents for his release.
Okay.
I will assist you in any way I can.
Thank you very much. God will bless you. Look at me now, I'm getting old.
You still have your dread? My brother is back. Yes. My brother is back.
and detained for 2 weeks back in the city. None of you bothered to bail me out. Now you people are rejoicing. You are rejoicing.
Will you just shut up? You are just a big fool. A very extraordinary fat fool. Go and commit the same crime whether you will not lavish in that cell.
Which crime? Smoking? Just because of smoking?
No. Go back and smoke again. I will spend 200,000 naira to make sure that you die in that place. Get away! Mijina.
It's okay.
Idiot. Now, come on, go inside.
I'm not going inside.
I said go inside.
I'm not going inside. In fact, I'm going away.
You are going away. Go away. That is -1. Just a close account.
Papa,
yes.
I don't like -1.
But shut up here. Look at your whiskers. Get out. Get out.
Waifu de berekete, pikin si de nyafu. 1 week, 1 torobolo for Baboloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Baboloko family. Waifu de berekete, pikin si de nyafu. 1 week, 1 torobolo for Baboloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Baboloko family. Pikin si de nyafu. 1 week, 1 torobolo for Baboloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Baboloko family. Waifu de berekete, pikin si de nyafu. 1 week, 1 torobolo for Baboloko house. Wahala no dey finish you for Baboloko family.
Is that not that barrister that came with that 419 chief? It's him, oh. He said it's him. It's him. Let's go. Let's go. Wonder shall never end. Hey! So, Bob Loco really sold this house? Eh? Hey, my sister, what are we going to do? My dear, I don't know. Hey, let me call his lawyer first. What kind of nonsense is this?
Why would this man sell this house?
Better call him.
Without even informing all the tenants.
In fact,
Wow.
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello? Yes, Barrister John. How are you? Yes, I'm listening to you. What? I did not sell anything. I did not sell my house. Someone gave them quit notice. No? No! I can't sell my house. Okay. God. Shegu! Come on. No. I can't believe this. Yes, John? Barrister John, can you hear me? Please. Yes, I can't find my document, but I mean my house document again. Can you just come over to my house now? Please. I need you to come over to my house. I have searched everywhere. Yeah. Okay, please, please. Please. God. God. Where are these children? I called you out here for an important issue. I am looking for my house document.
Yeah. Nine.
Who amongst you went into my room and stole my house document?
Hi. Which house? This one? Eh?
Nobody.
I asked a question and nobody wants to talk. Okay. Well, I have decided to visit Ezemo's shrine.
Thank you.
And I will tell Ezemo that anyone amongst you that is in possession of that house document, that he should strike the person with madness. Madness that will lead you into the market naked. Madness that will lead you into the church. Even in campaign area, you will be naked. That person will go naked.
I want to confess you. I want to confess. I am the one that stole the house document.
My children's inheritance.
Remember, my son Tunde, he told me he wanted to travel overseas, and I did not have money to give to him. I told him to come and meet you, and you chased him away. So I have to steal the house documents so that he can sell it and use the money to travel.
Obloko, you are finished.
Where is the document?
Papa, I know I have offended you. Papa, I know I have offended you, but please find a place in your heart to forgive your beloved son. Please.
Alanga.
I sold the house to one chief Lawal.
To the thunder will fire your mouth. Yes. Thunder will fire your mouth. How could you? How could you say my birthright?
Forgive me.
Idris, you must be very stupid for calling that house your birthright. And you, where is the money you made from the house you sold?
Hey, armed robbers attacked me and took the money.
Kimani! You are a liar! Provide the money! You are a liar! A big liar! I know you! We know you! You are a cheap criminal! Why is that?
You hear me? I pray Papa survives this. I don't want him to die. I don't want to be fatherless.
How is our husband?
Is he still alive?
What is it? Masala.
Hey, what's going Masala?
What's you? What happened to him? How is he? There is problem.
Hey.
The doctor said 300,000 is needed to carry out an operation on him.
Where can we get that kind of money?
Where will we get this kind of money?
I have some money. I will bring the money.
Go and bring it.
I did not lose the whole money to the armed robbers. I brought out 1.5 million naira, gave MH 1.2. Then I have 300,000.
Go and bring it. Oh yeah, go and bring it. Bring it. Listen now, you will not die.
Oh, doctor.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good evening, doctor.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening.
You're okay now. You're free to go home. But you'll be coming for your checkup from time to time.
Okay.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you. Thank you, doctor.
Come back,
You can
Eva.
go home now. That's bad.
With that yogurt there.
We drink that first.
Babaloko loro wani no. Babaloko loro wani no. Every day fight another. Babaloko loro wani no. Babaloko loro wani no. Babaloko loro wani no. Every day fight another. Babaloko loro wani no. Babaloko loro wani no. Babaloko loro wani no. Every day fight another. Babaloko loro wani no. Moburonka buroso. Ona apoto. Ona afio. Ụfọdụ si na fa na-enye ajọ nsogbu. Ụfọdụ si na fa bi na baraki. Babaloko loro nwanyị nọ. Babaloko loro nwanyị nọ.
Barrister John.
Chief, I'm here.
Thank God you are here.
Yes, Chief.
How is your family?
Chief, we are fine. Chief, you sounded so uneasy over the phone. That's why I came. I hope all is well.
A lot of things have been running through my mind. A lot. I just finished writing my will.
Will?
I want you to keep it safe until it's needed.
Okay, Chief. I'll do that.
One more thing, John.
I'm listening.
I have a secret I want to share with you.
Go on.
None of my wives or children knows about it. My father mounted pressure on me until I left the village. I left my wife and son in the village and ran to the city. I worked as a waiter in a hotel. One day, the hotel manager invited one Nigerian greatest musician, Baba Fela. I begged Fela to take me along with him. And fortunately, he agreed to take me to the city. He taught me how to play music. But my own pattern of music was different from his because I was playing high life music. But I love his music. I loved his music.
Oh, Chief. Is that why you are dressed as Fela Pikin, the king of high life?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I can now understand. Go on.
And then I started my own music. I was playing in every hotels and cities. Girls were flocking around me. I think that was my greatest mistake. Because every girl that crosses my path gets pregnant. That was how I met Obong, Amina, Bimbo. But Obioma was my first wife that I married traditionally.
Oh, Chief, you mean Obioma is your first wife?
Yes. But that is not the issue now. I had a fifth wife.
A fifth wife?
That gave me a son. I want you to go and bring her back.
Chief, how do I go about that? How do I get to see her?
That her son is my son. She lives at number 6 Anyejafuzo Street, Asaba.
Number 6 Anyejafuzo Street, Asaba. Okay.
She was so nice to me. She supported me. She gave me every assistance that I needed. That my house there, the story building, was given to me by her father as a gift.
Chief, you mean that property was given to you by your father-in-law? I mean, Abigail's father.
Yes.
That's interesting.
Yes.
Chief, why are you crying? Oh, take it easy, Chief.
I hurt her so much.
Baby.
I've made a mistake, but please just forgive me. I've been appealing to you. It's the devil's work.
Just hold it. Devil's work? So, is the devil that invited her over to my house? Eh? Is the devil that invited her over to my house? Is that what you're telling me? Just go. Okay, I think you're confused. Go. I don't want to hear this trash from you. I don't want to hear it.
For 3 days now, I've been appealing to you to just forgive me. Just find a place in your heart to forgive me. I never intended to hurt you. Please.
Just hold it, okay? See, I have forgiven you. I have forgiven you. But I don't have any money to give to you. I don't have any money for you. Eh? Please. Just go. Not even 1 penny I don't have. Go.
Abigail, remember, this is Bob Loco. The man that touches you, that makes your body turning. You know that? It's still Bobby. Please forgive me. I can let me start afresh. I will love you. I will be for you. I will end up my life for you.
I can see you are going. In fact, you are insane. Just go. I don't want to see you anymore. If you go, just shut the door after you, please. Go.
Did you say you don't want to see me?
Go, please. I don't want to see you. Just go.
Just look at my eyes and say that you don't want to see me.
Just go, please.
No. Just look at me and say you don't want to see me. I will leave.
Go. I don't want to see you now. Go, please. Just go. 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 Please go.
That's so much, and I don't think she will forgive me.
Chief, I promise you I am going to bring her. The moment I leave this place, I'll go straight to her place to bring her to come and see you. Chief, take it. Chief. Chief, take it easy, take it easy. Chief, take it easy. Chief, can somebody come over? Chief, 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 Chief. It's me. Okay. Good day, gentlemen.
Well done.
I am Barrister John. I'm here to see Abigail.
Abigail? Who's Abigail? Okay, the only Abigail I know is my madam.
Exactly, she's the one I'm looking for. Tell her that Bob Loco's lawyer is here to see her.
Bob Loco's lawyer?
Yes.
Okay, may I go tell her?
Come on. This sun is hectic. What do I do? Let me come in now.
No, okay, Barrister. You know what happened now? My madam says she don't want to see anybody now.
Why?
I don't know now. Why you ask me that kind of thing now? I know they for my damn mind, so I don't know.
Okay, let me explain to her.
I know now. You say you don't want to see anybody now. Don't tell her.
But I can explain to...
No, this kind of way they ask me now, I don't like them, I beg. Come out, I beg. No, as you did now, you go begin go, I beg. Go.
What do I do?
I beg. No, now go before you put me for trouble now.
You should have at least tried to explain. Come on. This is to inform you that Bob Loco is dead. Alright, better this way.
Barrister, please, I'm tired with this your PPP grammars. You better read out this well. Eh? What are you hiding? Why are you doing this? Why are you hiding? Wasting time. You better stop doing this. Oh, because your papa's lawyer, you want to steal some properties.
Avante, keep quiet, Avante. Ah, what's wrong with you? attorney at law.
That Rebecca!
Choy were eh? Olodo. Afonto Olodo. Barry.
Look at this killer. Look at you. Oh, I can see. Okay, you're conspiring with the lawyer to steal Papa's property, Abi?
Anyway, Bob Loco made it clear when he was alive that you are -1.
Don't.
On that we start.
Don't try it.
My ears are itching me, barrister. Nkem?
Absolute quietness so that I can read out your father's will.
Thank you. Barrister, thank you.
This will was written by late Chief Bob Loco, and it states, I, Chief Bob Loco Esquire, aka Fela Pikin, do hereby write my will today being 20th March 2015. I hereby state that this is my will written by me without any witness. This will reads that my first son Emeka will inherit this house in the village, while my car goes to Kenneth.
Yes, best way for best children. My husband.
House gone, car gone. Nothing is remaining now, nothing is left.
This will also reads that Idris, my first son from Amina, will inherit my smoking tube of Boko, so that he will continue from where I stopped.
I want a baze paruba. It cannot happen. It cannot.
Barrister!
No, Jeba, for what?
Barrister, if I get up here, I will cover you.
Yes.
Papa calls me Canopy because I cover the compound. Don't make me get up here. What is all this? This is a joke. How can Papa leave only his smoking of Oko for me as the only inheritance? While I'm the canopy that covers the compound.
You only cover yourself. At least you will not be buying Rizla. He made it easy for you. Once you buy the Igbo on top of the Boko, smoke till infinity. Only Igbo.
Allah Cinemaka. Allah Cinemaka.
Please, there shouldn't be any transferred aggression.
Yes.
I'm only performing my duty.
Barrister, my ears are itching me. Nkem?
This will also reads, for Bimbo and his son conspiring to sell my only property, Tunde should go to hell.
Who should go to hell? Iboyara?
My son, go to hell. Whoa.
You!
Why would I believe you?
Who are they? Please? Can we help you?
Yes. Can we?
Who is Mr. Tunde Bob Loco?
Don't even better with my brother.
My name is Benjamin. I'm not Tunde. I used to be Tunde.
My name is Inspector Daniel from the State CID. You are under arrest for illegal sales of Miss Abigail Pedro's house.
I'm not Tunde. My name is Benjamin. No, I only sold my father's house, not Abigail's.
Yes.
Please, take it easy. Take it easy, officer. Please, I'm sorry. I am Barrister John. I am the family advocate. I heard you mention Abigail. Are you Miss Abigail?
Yes, I am.
Oh, thank God, I've been longing to meet you. Bob Loco told me about you, and your name happens to be written in the will he wrote before he died. You are Bob Loco's 5th wife, according to take it easy.
No, not me. I'm his last wife, oh!
Can we settle this thing inside? Let's talk. This is a family.
I don't know what you are talking about. Officers, please do your job.
Let me go and What is it? What is it? Bring these 2 girls. Bring them. No. Hold it. Hold it, sir. Hold it.
The twins. They are my wives.
How?
This is the agreement between me and Bob Loco.
Okay. So, I can understand, yes, sir. I can understand. According to the will your father left behind, both of them are supposed to be his wife. Get out from here! But it is written in the will.
Every day fight another. Thank you.